Gotta go down, unlock the place, fire going. We just found something she's interested in. What is it? What's in there? You coming? Hey. What do you got in there? Come on, Sally. Caddy's hiding up in the truck till we get a little bit warmer in here. Got the fire going. So the problem is a lot of our hardwood firewood is still fairly green. We cut it midsummer, but never actually cut it up into firewood. Cut the trees down midsummer, but never cut the actual logs up into firewood till late fall. So you can see a lot of the wood still, or moisture is boiling out of it. So it doesn't throw the greatest heat, but warms it up in here okay. Next year will be better. What do you think, Daisy? It's quite wintry up here. Little bites like that. Okay. Good dragon. Sure. Okay. That's been a fandangle there. Actually, it has the holes right where the leg goes. I'll do the math on the bathroom again. They might be able to come just past that.
Oh, the bridge over, you mean?
Yeah. And it slide it down underneath. Very smooth.
Hazel.
We're taking a break. There's a 300-pound table in that truck yet too. Just gonna be there and like lift up every once in a while, or it gets resistance.
So once in a while.
Actually, hey, come around here. This might be easier for you. Okay.
I'm not fine.
So we got everything inside now. Bed's still down here. Couch and chairs in. The big concrete coffee table. Fridge. Kitchen unit. The dog. So we're going to tackle next.
Shelves.
These shelves. We got 2 shelves to go up here. Got them there. We've also got a short one. Replace this shelf. That's just a piece of plank I threw up there. Replace it with some maple. Pack all that garbage away. Hazel's getting a nap. No, maybe not. Anything you'd like to say? What you? Fire's going nice finally. It's warming up to a balmy 16 degrees. So 2'6". There's the board. Come back 22 inches. 22 inches.
Show us 100.
Close enough. What do you want to do next? You want to try putting the bear hide up on that wall? Or that wall?
I don't know which one. I thought we were doing that shelf.
No, let's do the bear hide next, right there. I think behind the couch,
Okay.
because it's like the same length as the couch.
Okay.
Just for now anyways, if we don't like it there, we can always move it. So this bear's been rolled up for 4 years. Grab the butthole right now. Aw. There.
In the top of that log.
Yep, perfect. So what's next on the to-do list? The bed next? So somebody's had a hard day of working. Okay, we'll work quietly. Don't cover on me. So we've done everything we can do for this day. We've got an hour and a half drive home yet. It's getting pretty late. So we got quite a bit done today. We got everything brought down. These shelves put up. That thing in place. The bed up in the loft is all put together, minus a mattress. Never got that shelf done, but oh well. Got all the living room stuff in. Bear hide hung. Fridge is in, but propane's not hooked up yet. I'll wait till probably springtime when I hook up that stove there as well. This big beast of a table's in place. Candles lit, so we're officially home. Hazel's getting hungry, wanting to go home. You so serious, Hazy? So yeah, it's starting to look like a cabin and less like a pine box. It's gonna be nice when it's all said and done. Well, the truck's all loaded up. It's time to leave here again. It's getting pretty cold out now. Must be around -20 again. Next time up will be our first night here. Hopefully this coming weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For Hazel's sake.